Your next technique and artistry piece is called tribal dance, and we're working some really important things here. This piece is excellent for rhythm development. We're going to be counting and tapping this on the piano, and then counting and playing this on the piano, and count and play it every single time you play it for maximum rhythm development. But we're working with a new technique secret as well. It's your technique and artistry book, of course. So the new technique secret is heavy, wet ropes. We're working heavy arms to play this song. So without further ado, let's head back to the beginning of the book, Heavy, Wet Ropes. For heavy, wet ropes, we're going to really tune in to just how heavy our arms actually are. So let your arms dangle by your side. Start to notice them getting a little bit heavier. And if you want to, go all the way to imagining that they're holding heavy, wet ropes. Woof! It's enough to make you fall over. All right, get a good sense of that. And then we're going to slowly lift the arms up to about the height of the piano and then drop them in our laps. Now, I want to take a quick moment. Hopefully I'm talking over the rainstorm we're having right now. I want to take a quick moment to talk about the difference between a hit and a drop. A hit is a very controlled movement all the way down. It has tension in pretty much every part of the arm and the shoulder. Take a moment not to hurt yourself, but to do a gentle, controlled hit onto your lap. Now, bring the arms back up and let them drop. And notice how everything that was controlled just now was released as we did a drop instead of a hit. Do it one more time. Arms up and then drop. As we work with tribal dance, we're going to practice dropping into the keys, not hitting, not going in a controlled way, but dropping. The next thing we're going to do for tribal dance is tap the rhythm and count aloud. Now, you can close your fall board if you want to. I'm going to keep it pretty simple and just keep my hands up here and tap on my music stand. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have tapped the rhythm. Now we're going to go to playing the piece with a heavy arm in both arms. We're going to set up our 3s and our 1s together as a brace. We've done this before. This is going to help protect everything, really, as we work with heavy arms. Notice there's a line underneath this entire piece. That means we get to hold the pedal down. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, drop into the notes. 1, 2,